Hello everyone. So everyone was asking for a chocolate explosion box tutorial. So I am here with some material and tutorial. So for this we need some thick sheets of 400 GSM sheet. It should be very thick, so it can handle chocolates weight. We need red and black thick sheets, some color paper like this print, or you can use any other print. And we need some chocolates, we need some flowers, so and one teddy we need. So let's get ready for the tutorial. So for this we need some strips of 6 by 6 means 6 I have to divide one sheet, means 6 plus 6 plus 6 18 inches by 15 inches by 12 inches by 9 inches big strips. So I have ready with me right now, this is 9 inches by 3 inches strip. We need two strips of each size. This is 12 inches, this is 15 inches by 5 inches, this is 12 inches by 4 inches, this is 18 inches by 6 inches. This is the last one. We will open first this one, then 5 inches box, then 4 inches box, then 3 inches box. 4 layer we have to make. We need some this type of alphabets. If you don't have, you can use any glitter foam sheet alphabet ready available in the market. I have die cut machine, so I'm using these type of cuttings. I have these alphabet cuttings. Some more sheets we need for lid. So first lid will be 10 by 1 line of scoreboard. You can use 2 centimeters also. 10 by 2 centimeters, 10 inches you have to take. Second lid will be 8.1. okay, third lid will be 7.1 and fourth lid will be 5.1 inches. So let's get started for the making. How we will make from first layer. So first I am using the biggest one, 18 by 16 inches strip. So now we will divide this strip in 3 equal parts. So this is 6 inches by 18 inches, so I will divide in 6 inches first. Then I will fold this. Again I will divide 6 inches. Again I will fold this. So it should look like this. Now I will take second. Then I will fold this. Now I will divide one more. So in this way you have to fold 2 strips. Now you can put this on this. So let's stick this part. So now I am using these 4 pieces. The measurements are 5.5 by 5.5 inches square piece. So I will stick this on this and this and this and this. Let's stick it. So our first level is ready. So we need 4 Kit Kat and 4 Dairy Milks for this. So we will stick it like this on each side. You can stick it with any double-sided tape. So let's stick this. So now I have done the sticking of chocolates. Now we will make second layer. After this we will take 5 by 5 by 5 lids. We will make in the end. So 15 by 5 inches paper I am taking. 15 by 5 inches, 2 strips we need. So let's get started. Divide into 3 equal parts, means 15 divided by 5 5 5. We will divide in 3 equal parts. The same procedure for all 4 boxes will be do. I am dividing in 5 and 10 inches. same way we will stick this strip on this. So let's stick it. So now we have these four pieces of square. So this should be 4.5 by 4.5 as this box is 5 by 5. So let's stick this. So after this sticking these square papers, so we will need some 4 dairy milk and some 4 pieces of 2 by 4 inches, or you can take 3.5 inches strips. So first we will stick these, then we will stick these. Let's stick it. So our second level is also ready. So we will keep this on this and we will keep it aside. Now we will take third. This is 12 by 4 inches sheet. 2 sheets we need. So let's divide it in 3 equal parts. I am marking on 4 inches and 8 inches. Let's fold it nicely. Same procedure for this also. We have to stick one on another. Only the center part we have to stick. So let's stick this on this. So for this is 4 inches, so we have to take half inch less. This is 3.5 by 3.5, 4 pieces. Let's stick these. So for this we need these 4 Kit Kat, big one. So we will stick these now on this. So this way I have done sticking. Make sure you are sticking in sequence. So this third layer is also ready. So it's getting ready. Now last and final layer. So we need these sheets. This I have already divided into 3 parts. This is 9 inches. I have divided into 3, 3, 3. I have done scoring on 3 and 6 inches on both. So let's do sticking of this on this. So for this we need 4 pieces of 2.5 by 2.5. This is 3 inches. We need half less. So let's stick these. So our fourth level is also ready. I have done sticking of paper and I have done this small chocolate also. So we need one teddy, and we will keep this on these 4 layers. So our layers are ready. Now we have to make box lid. So let's get ready for that. So for that, first we will make 4th layer, last one inside. So we need 5.1 by 5.1 inches. 1 means 2 centimeters. You can take. So first we will do marking on 1 inches all sides. 1 inch, 1 inch, 1 inch, and 1 inch. So this type of marking. Let's fold this all sides. Our folding is done. Then you have to just cut this part. This side, again another side, again another side. Now you have to fold it like this and stick it here. This way all sides you have to stick it. So our first lid is ready. So I have kept teddy inside and chocolates on first layer is ready. We have to stick some flowers over here. We will stick these flowers. So let's stick these. So I have done this sticking. So you can stick flowers or anything else you can stick. So for second lid, this is the 3rd lid we are doing. This one was 4th and now we will do 3rd layer. So for that we need 7.1 by 7.1 means 2 cm. One line means 2 centimeters. For scored board you need 7.1. So let's make this. Same way we have to do, but for this we will take 1.5 each side. Repeat the same procedure. Fold and cut all the corners of one side. Procedure should be same. So our 3rd lid is ready. Make sure your chocolate is inside so you can close it properly. So this is done. Now we will stick day here. And we will stick some flowers over here. So let's stick these. So after sticking it will look like this. Now we will make the second lid. For that we need 8.1 by 8.1. 1 means 2 centimeters as you have done in previous one. So let's make lines. So we are taking 1.5 again, means 1.5 inch. On each side we will make these lines. Same procedure for this. Turn and stick the corners. this is 5 inches. So let's cut it and stick it. So now our second lid also ready. So let's close this and we will stick here birth and some flowers. So let's stick this. So this one is also ready. So let's keep this aside and make the first lid. So this is the first lid. For this we need 10.1 by 10.1 because we need sides 2 inches. So 6 plus 2 plus 2 means 10 inches plus 1 line extra means 2 centimeter line extra for space. So let's do the same procedure, but in this slit we will mark on 2 inches instead of 1.5 inches. Each side you have to mark on 2 inches. Same procedure, we have to just fold this. So our first lid is ready. Now we will stick this happy and some big flowers. I have red one and some small. So you have to stick it like this on both sides. So let's stick this, and so to make it more attractive I am using these red strips for lid. Red strips for lid means we need 5.5 by 1.5. This is 1.5 and 5.5 I have taken. This is 6 by 2 inches now. So for this I have taken 1.5 by 5.5 strip for the first layer. So let's stick this. So for this I have taken 1.5. So now for second lid we need, this is 1.5, so need 1 inch strip by 4.5. So we will stick it like here. And for this third lid we need 3.5 by 1 inches. Then 4 strips we need for each layer, and for this we need little bit, half inch you can take, half inches by 2.5 inches. So let's stick these and our box is ready then. So after sticking these it's looking more attractive. So this is ready. So let's close this. It's really heavy.